guess who we met here? My neighbor. Here's my friend Robert. He's coming for a beer soon, next week. I know. Okay, we got some Chinese. That's spicy. And guess what, guys? We got some chicken feet. I've done some expenses at the hardware store. We bought another fan, which I think will go in the veranda, we'll see. And we bought a little barbecue to put on the veranda for sure. And some cable for the bathroom, a few towels, mat, things that we need for the bathroom as well. So anyway, I will show you all that quickly when we get home, I guess. We're back here, our favorite market, fruit market. It may not be beautiful like a supermarket, but it's really nice to see all those fruits really feel like you want to eat them. Oh. Big apple, 35 peso each. I usually buy 6 of those because I need to have my apple every day. I love it. And this girl, she loves driving. She's gonna learn driving before mommy. Huh? Okay, we had a CEO meeting here with Jam. This is gonna go to the porch. This is much too high. It's not doing much at all. I know I could put a pole to bring it down. It's too complicated. I don't want to bother. So it's gonna come down at one stage, not now. We're gonna pan the blade to protect it from humidity. And that's gonna go to the porch, and then I will connect it properly. By the time I will work out how to connect everything. So in the meantime, we bought this one here because the one we got in the kitchen is really good. It's very strong, and I like that. I know it's a 22-inch. This one is only 20-inch. But the one inside 22-inch, we're going to leave the way it is because we need, when Jam is cooking, we need a lot of air up there. It's getting hot. We bought a barbecue from Sweden. No, I'm just kidding. Made in China, unfortunately. Just a small barbecue for the veranda. We used to have a little one before, I don't know if you remember it, but it's got damaged. It was very flimsy. So we bought something a little bit more presentable. So we got to do a little barbecue here in the corner. I'll probably put it up there once we empty everything. I'll put on this corner somewhere. Anyway, okay, the fan, the dowel fan, we pay exactly 2,275 pesos. Just put on the screen the conversion US dollar. Okay, change of priority because the meat is at the freezers. So I better do the grill, the barbecue. All the tools are there, which is good. Sorry, I'm gonna put like this. Heaps of stuff. You can do kebab, chicken roast, whatever. Ah, good. It's nice. I see a nice T-bone steak there or something like that. That goes on the side to put the tools, I guess. We'll see later. You know, this is a nice little barbecue. I hope it's not too low. Okay. Okay. Let's put up there where it's supposed to be. If it wasn't for this blue film, barbecue would be finished already 20 minutes ago. What a pan. It's everywhere. Instruction. Something here. I don't know. We'll see. 你好，我是 Joe。太是发疯。It's all in Chinese. So I used to do my instruction for my company. And nobody complained about. Another version. Take this off and put this on. Okay, not bad. There's a few more accessories, I don't know exactly, but it's okay. Don't ask me where this goes because it doesn't tell you. We'll figure it out. Probably put a little shelf across here. I'll see what I've got. Yeah, that'd be good. All ready to cook. Ran out just now. They call this senior barbecue storage bag. Ah. You can put the barbecue here. It's a good idea, but I don't think we're gonna use that. I like, in Spanish we say pinchito. To brush for the oil. Even got a little bit of aluminium foil paper, aluminum foil. I'm out to start the power generator. Running hoops. Okay, let's start that baby. Yeah, it's a good idea. Ah, this is looking yummy, 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 yummy. Oh yeah, perfect. Woohoo! Sitting here waiting. Let's enjoy. That's it. I'm just finished making a maja blanca, but it's not blanca. It's purple.
flavor.
It's okay.
I put ubi.
All right.
You wanna try?
Nice. I'm sure it's gonna be nice. Now, yeah, I can try if you put on a little plate. Good morning. Okay, I gotta go back to the installation of this heater, water heater for the shower. Okay, going back to this. I was planning to put this here, right? But I want the cable to go through the ceiling, but also I need to get this connected to one of those, so I'm not sure you want this to, I don't really want to have this to come across here. It's gonna look silly. So I might put it here somewhere along the same side of the inlet, outlet. So I want to put on the same side of the outlet, shower outlet, yeah? So I put it here. I can change that, that's not a problem. And then, easily, I can put this here somewhere, and the cable will go there on the corner. So there will be no live open cable in the bathroom side. They will be through the ceiling outside. So I like to place the circuit breaker outside at the entrance somewhere here. Yeah. So if you want to have a shower, with switch that on and go and have a hot shower. Not for me, but for GM and the baby. So whether here or here, but I think here it's better. Certain height like this, the baby can have access. Okay. Okay, well that's it for today. Alright, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, take care, God bless you all. Bye bye.